Hi, I'm Melinda Jeanich. I'm the co-founder and CEO of EuroDesignBuild. Welcome to our home. EuroDesignBuild was founded on September 4th, 1998, a group of amazing craftsmen from Eastern Europe. We opened up EuroDesignBuild to make a difference in their lives. In the process, we've not only made a difference in their lives, but we've made a difference in the lives of the people that we have served, as well as our own. Because EuroDesignBuild was built to last. EuroDesignBuild specializes in the most important and critical areas of a client's home, such as the kitchen and the bathroom. We truly care about our clients, and we make the time to find out what's really important to our client, their family. What is it that actually caused them to want to go and make changes to such a critical space? We take the time to help them find the pain points and create the necessary solutions to eliminate those pain points so that they can live in comfort and quality for years to come. EuroDesignBuild is a reflection of the European craftsmanship that's typically found in specific countries in Europe where things are built to last for centuries. We carry the same mission and philosophy and commitment to building quality products and providing a service that's one of a kind. If you have a place that isn't serving you well as you think it should, please come see us, and we look forward to helping you create the dream of your home where your legacy can be built on the foundation of your family values.